Welcome to Archiesense. Casa Figa is a representation of the harmony between the simplicity and wisdom of traditional construction with the contemporary context. The house respects the local culture and the environment, taking inspiration from Caiçara architecture that emphasizes coexistence with nature and the preservation of traditional crafts. Located near the village of Caraíva, Bahia, the design combines local elements to create a meaningful and contextual residence. The house consists of 4 volumes spread over an area of 850 square meters. The central volume includes the kitchen, living room, mezzanine and office as the core of the house, while the other 3 volumes function as guest suites with guaranteed privacy. Each volume is connected by paths made of railway sleepers, flowing naturally through the surrounding garden. These paths add intimacy between the bedrooms and the outdoor spaces. The relationship between the interior and exterior spaces is at the heart of Casa Figa's design. The wide and light Tatajuba wood doors allow for constant interaction with nature. When open, these doors invite the wind and sounds of the forest into the house, while when closed, they provide protection without losing connection with the surrounding environment. Local and recycled materials are the main themes of the project. Rough-hewn wood adds unique character, while hand-applied mud walls provide thermal and acoustic comfort. Traditional techniques such as lime and sand coatings enhance the durability of the building, reflecting an approach that respects local materials and techniques. Reclaimed roof tiles from an old house in Vitória da Conquista were used to create a mosaic of natural colors that blends with the local landscape. The ceiling of palm fiber mats made by local craftsmen reflects an attention to sustainability, showing respect for renewable resources and artisan traditions. The choice of materials is not only about aesthetics, but also a conscious decision for the environment. Reclaimed materials such as wood, roof tiles, and traditional manual techniques help reduce environmental impact. The natural texture and appearance of these materials allow Casa Figa to blend in with the surrounding environment without disturbing the balance, reflecting a deep respect for nature and local culture. Casa Figa invites its inhabitants to live more simply and connect with the essentials. The design does not focus on luxury, but on a genuine connection with the place, the people, and the history behind the materials. With its simplicity and authenticity, the house highlights values such as preservation, respect for tradition, and concern for the future. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.